Hello, today you're looking at an Aldonex 1500 amp 0 to 12 volt air-cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit is wired for 480 volt 3-phase. It's in very good working condition. We'll turn it on here in a second so you can see and hear it go. Take a look at the nameplate there. It does come with a brand new remote with digital meters. There that is. Overall dimensions, 31 inches long by 37 inches wide by 48 inches tall. It is rated at 35 input amps and 18 kW. Come back around, we'll start it up for you so you can see and hear it go. This is a filtered unit. Take a look at the O-scope wave here. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.